guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm finally back with another video. I'm so sorry it's been so long. I do explain that in the video, but today I just kind of wanted to do a chit chat, get ready with me style video. I wanted to show you how I've been doing my makeup when I've been going out, and it's been so hot here in London. So this routine is quick and simple. It's relatively lightweight, but it also helped me feel really put together whenever I needed to go out. So I thought I would just sit down and run through this, but I mainly just wanted to get in front of the camera and chat to you guys because I've missed you. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you watch the video. I basically just do makeup tutorials, get ready with me's, and review makeup from time to time. So if that sounds interesting to you, then I would love for you to subscribe. And I'm gonna stop talking now and just get into the video. So I'm just gonna prime my face using the Charlotte Tilbury Wonderglow. To be honest, in the heat, I would prefer more of a mattifying primer, but I don't have one, so I've gone for the one that's kind of the tackiest that I own, which is this one. So as you may have noticed, if you've watched any of my other videos, I have a new background, and that is because I have moved back in with my parents. So previously, my boyfriend and I were living together, and well, we're not living together anymore, and he is no longer my boyfriend. So yeah, that's pretty much all I'm gonna say on that. That's why I took so much time off, was to kind of process that, and also I had so much moving to do. Like, it's ridiculous how much stuff you just acquire and you don't realize. Plus it's quite difficult trying to like downsize my life. Like, I had a whole life that we had in our apartment, and now I have to downsize it into one bedroom in my parents' house. So that's been fun, but I've like taken some of the furniture and stuff we used to have and kind of like incorporated it into my room. I've moved my room around a little bit from what it used to be when I was younger and living here, so it's a little bit different, which is quite nice. I'm thinking of painting the walls a lighter colour as well, just to kind of like make the room a bit lighter and airier. And I think it's always fun to like change up your space. It kind of like just makes you feel a bit more put together, and it feels like a new start kind of thing. I don't know if that makes any sense, but it makes sense in my head, so that's what I'll be doing. For foundation, I'm mixing a tiny bit of the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear foundation with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filtr Hydrating Longwear foundation in 120. Oh, and this is in the shade Deaville. I'll list it down below. I'm probably not pronouncing that correctly, so I apologise if I've butchered that. So I'm gonna do 2 pumps of this one and 1 of the Nars. I'm gonna do 2 of the Nars because I forget how small the pumps are. It's been so long since I filmed, I feel a bit weird. I feel like I don't really know what I'm doing. But it's fine, I'll get back into the swing of things. I was quite, not annoyed, but it was a bit annoying because I was on such a good streak, but honestly, I just had to take a bit of time for myself, and I really didn't have time because I was spending so much time just organizing, moving. I still have quite a lot of stuff left to do, but most of the big stuff is done now, so I don't have to worry about that too much. So yeah, the last video I actually filmed was a full face of Nars using the foundation I just mixed in, and I did a wear test. And I mean, I wasn't crazy about the video, but I was gonna post it. I hadn't edited it yet by the time we broke up, so I think I'm gonna refilm it because I bought all of the Nars stuff, and I do actually want to do like that full face and give you guys my honest thoughts, because I do think there was some stuff there that I absolutely hated, I'm not gonna lie, and then there was some stuff that I really loved, so I think that'd be quite good. But I don't know when I'm gonna do it because I need to find a day where I can do a wear test, and at the moment my weekends are just basically reorganizing my room. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what I'm blending anymore. I'm pretty sure this is like dried. I'm just chatting. But anyway, I have like 50 million ideas for this room, so I want to paint it like a really nice light colour, and I need to get like the curtains up. my dad's taking me to IKEA tomorrow morning so I can get a new mattress. I need to get some storage, I need to get lamps. I'm basically just like, this is my new haven that I'm turning it into. So yeah, spending lots of money. Right, what am I doing? Okay, so I'm gonna use my Urban Decay Stay Naked Concealer in 10CP as always. And I'm just gonna cover up, I have quite a few spots. So I'm just gonna spot conceal, do my under eyes, all that fun stuff. Just grabbing my Morphe E20 brush and I'm gonna start blending out my concealer. Since I've been home, me and my mum have been obsessed with watching Hoarders. We used to watch it quite a lot before I moved out, and now we're just like trying to find whatever series we can to watch. Like, we're quite sad, but I don't know, it's just so fascinating to watch. Like, it's quite sad sometimes, but other times it's just like, it's so crazy. We used to love when I was little watching, you know, was it How Clean Is Your House with Kim and Aggie? Like, just that before and after was so satisfying. I mean, me and my mum are quite like, we're so similar and we're very clean freaky. But it's quite nice actually, because we watch a couple of episodes pretty much every night. And obviously, like, especially in lockdown, I haven't been able to see my parents very often, so it's really nice to get some time back with them. Also, if anyone's interested, I used the Fenty cream bronzer the other day and it actually came out quite good. So I think I might have cracked it, finally. So I'm gonna use this for cream cream bronzer. I do like cream products in the summer. I just think they make your skin look so glowy and dewy. Who doesn't like to be glowy and dewy? I mean, I know a lot of people like to be quite matte, but I've never understood that. Just taking, what is this, some Morphe brush. I'm just tapping that on lightly. And once I have the placement down, I just blend it out with my Beauty blender. So I'm next taking my Fenty Beauty Pro Filtr Instant Retouch Setting Powder. This is in the shade Butter. So just taking my e.l.f. brush, I'm going to lightly set my face. I don't like to bake, but I do tend to set all of my face slightly with powder. So the issue I have with having dry, dehydrated skin is that you don't want to use overly mattifying products because it will just dry your skin out and you'll look like a big crust. But at the same time, you need to use products that stop oils from coming through, because where I get dehydrated, oil just like comes through my skin and breaks all of my makeup up. It is the most annoying thing, which is why I think I need to get a good mattifying primer that isn't silicone based, if I can, for like my chin and my nose area, because when I use silicone based ones, they just do not go with any of my foundations. But then when I use glowy ones, they don't last on my face. Oh, it's just, does anyone else have dry, dehydrated skin, or is it just me? Because I swear to God, everyone seems to have either dry skin or oily skin. Just like, I never find people that have skin like me. And I know it's not the biggest problem in the world, but it's just a bit annoying. I'm just gonna use my big fluffy brush to set the rest of my face. I feel like I'm giving away the products that I like from Nars, but honestly, I can't not use this. It's the liquid blush in Orgasm. Guys, this just gives you the dewiest, nicest, most flattering blush I think I have ever tried in my life. It's way better than the stick. It blends out so much easier, and you literally need 1 drop, and even that's like too much. So I literally do, in fact I'm gonna do like half a drop if I can. That is half a drop. I'm just gonna do like 2 dots on each cheek. And I still have some left over. Just using my beauty blender to blend that out. And you can see it goes a long way. I used to hate blush, but I think when you find a shade that really flatters you and you can do it kind of like, because I don't like too much highlight, but I do like a kind of dewy, glowy cheek moment. So when you can find a blush that kind of gives you that dewiness without having to do full-on highlight, it just, oh, I love it. I think blush with a tan as well just looks so nice. A little bit across the nose. So I'm gonna use the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Chocolate. Okay, and I'm just gonna skip through this bit and get back to you when I have fluffy eyebrows. Just because I feel like it, I'm gonna do a bit of powder bronzer. So I'm gonna use Hoola Lite, which I have severely hit pan on, so hopefully I can get some out. And I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush and I'm gonna run some of that bronzer through my crease. I don't tend to use eyeshadow most days, but I like the look of bronzer on the eyelids. I just think it's quite flattering. I still have quite a lot of makeup to test out. I got quite a lot of makeup from XX Revolution, which I actually have never tried anything from Revolution, like any of the brands before. So I'm looking forward to trying that out. I also got some stuff from ELF that I want to try. I'm just taking this down onto the lid as well, by the way. Yeah, I've got quite a few things to film. So Maura Higgins brought out a collection with Inglot, and I've also never tried anything from Inglot, but I was thinking of buying like the whole collection and just testing it out. So let me know if you guys would like to see that. So I'm not sure I have actually seen any reviews on it. Not by anyone I follow anyway. That might be interesting. I'm just gonna take my smudger brush and run a little bit of that under my lash line. So I've tried out a few of my different mascaras throughout the heat, and the only one that hasn't smudged under my eyes is the Buxom Mascara. I used to have this mascara primer from MAC, and it was so good. It was like this white primer and it came in a white bottle, and I really liked it. I don't even know if they sell it anymore. I should look into it, but if I wore that, my mascara, no matter which one it was, it just wouldn't budge. The only thing was though, it was really difficult to then take my mascara off at the end of the day because it basically made it like waterproof. But if you have an event to go to and you don't want your mascara to come off, it's definitely worth looking at something like a mascara primer. I mean, I've tried the Benefit tinted primer, and it's not as good as the MAC one in my opinion. It's good on its own as like a brown mascara, but I wouldn't wear it in the hopes of keeping my mascara on otherwise. So for lips, I'm going to be using Strip Down Lip Pencil by MAC and just overlining my Cupid's bow a little bit. And then for lips, I'm using the Slip Shine lipstick by Fenty Beauty. This is in the shade Glazed. And finally for setting spray, I have a mini version of the Baby What It Do setting spray by Fenty Beauty. This is the finest mist I have ever felt in my life. It literally feels like air. I don't know how else to explain it, but it's so fine. It's so refreshing, and the scent, I'm not actually sure what the scent is. I can't quite put my finger on it, but it's really nice. So this is the final look. I just chucked my hair back into a low bun. This is my favorite hairstyle when it's hot outside. Apologies if it's a bit messy. My hair is just like a mane at the moment. It's completely uncontrollable, so I just needed to get it out of my face. This routine it probably looks really long because I was talking for so long, but when I do it, it takes me maybe 10-15 minutes. I know there are a lot of routines that I could do that are much quicker, and I do have some that I do that are much quicker, but those routines are more kind of the no makeup looks. I just wanted to feel a bit more put together and a bit nicer. So yeah, if that's what you're looking for, then this routine is great, especially the mascara. Like, I was trying a few different mascaras when the weather was getting a bit hotter, and all of them melted off my face except for the Buxom one. So if there's one thing you take away from this video, it's Buxom mascara is excellent for heat. And yeah, like I said before, I am sorry it's been so long since I last uploaded. I obviously went through quite a big change, so YouTube wasn't something that I put at the top of my priority list. I just had other things that I needed to get to. But now that things are settled down, I'm really excited to start filming again. Shut up. But like I said, I have some e.l.f. products to review. I have some Revolution Pro products to review. I'm also going to be doing my full face of Nars. And if you guys want to see it, I will purchase the Mora collection from Inglot and test that out for you guys. So yeah, just let me know your suggestions in the comments box down below. Let me know what you want to see next. And let me know if you like this routine, because I know I do, but I mean, yeah, I don't know if anyone else does. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video, which will be soon. Bye! Whatever. For the thingy, what am I talking about? I'm pretty. Okie dokie, artichoke. For fuck's sake. But what? This is the one that I'm going to be